The Winget command is a Windows package manager that's work using command line like sudo apt-get on Linux that's enable user to discover, install, update, remove, and configure Windows application. This tool designed to help automate the process of managing software on your system, making it essential utility for system administrator and power user like you and me. Learning the Winget command can significantly streamline software management tasks, enhance productivity, and ensure that software on Windows system is kept up to date with easy.